In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a box smashing animation by using Blender's rigid body feature. Let's create a chain by following the same steps from the previous tutorial. We need to torus with an active rigid body. We'll need to duplicate it, and rotate it. After that, we'll need to join them to array them. We need to apply the array modifier, tab, and p to separate by loose parts, and move the origin to geometry. Let's add a teapot. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need to turn off dynamic for this mesh. When the disconnection occurs, please select the last mesh, press Ctrl A, and reset all transforms. Let's bring the meshes up on the Z-axis, and start to add the boxes. We need rigid body. I have put mesh for its collision type, but that won't work well. Let's add a ground mesh with a passive rigid body setting. Time to array the box. After applying the modifiers, we need to go to Edit Mode, P, and separate by loose parts. Once we move the origin to geometry, then everything should be good to go. Then this bug occurred. That looks super cool, but that's not what we want. I found out I had to use convex hull instead of mesh as rigid body collision type. Looks like the boxes are too heavy. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.